Alright guys, got a new lock here for you. I think it's an Olympic or an Olympian. It's made in China. I think it's about a 40mm. It's going to be a 6-pin lock. Here's a look at the keyway. $50mm, I'm sorry. It says China 50mm up here at the top. Sorry about that. Here's a look at the key bitting. There's a look at the key bitting for you. And I should be able to pick this lock open. You will see this lock again in future videos. It feels almost kind of like a tri-circle. And there we go, open. It's got a nice little mountain type design on it here on the lock body. Here's a look at the key bitting. And it comes with 3 keys. And on the bow of the key it says 80, and it's got the little circle with little mountain peaks in it. Not sure if you can see that. Anyway, there you guys go. Hope you liked it. As always, have a good one.